Open on a powerful note, emotional well-being is not a destination but a journey. A journey that Paradigm Left is ready to embark on with you. Dive into the heart of the matter. Through personalized counseling, we strive to illuminate the corners of your mind, empower you to confront your fears and overcome your obstacles. Next, introduce the support system. Our empathetic support workshops are safe havens where you can share, learn, and grow with others who are on the same path. Introduce the holistic approach. And it doesn't stop there. Holistic therapies at Paradigm Left are designed to harmonize your mind, body, and soul, providing a well-rounded approach to emotional well-being. Wrap it up with a powerful ending. So take the first step towards understanding your emotional landscape, fostering resilience, and cultivating a positive mental outlook. With Paradigm Left, you're never alone on your journey to emotional well-being.